Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Edison。
大家好，我係 Josephine. And today, let's talk about some of the transportation or the mass transportation that's available to folks here in Taiwan, especially because there's the launch of the high-speed rail. 其实呢，这几个礼拜呢，大家都在讨论的高铁呢已经起跑了，对不对？那无论如何呢，这对台湾的交通来讲的话是一个好事啦，因为又多了一个选择，从北到南呢又可以很快速的到达。So let's teach people here a few words that are related to transportation 跟这个交通工具有关系的一些单字好了。
好啊，
就从这个高铁，其实高铁的意思是高速铁路。
高速铁路。
高速铁路，那简称就是高铁。
高铁。
高铁。好，然后再来呢，其实以前没有高速铁路的时候呢，就是火车了，对不对？
火車。
火車。火車, that's a train. Before there was the high-speed rail, there was only the train. Then within the city, of course, we always like to take a taxi if we're in a hurry.
機行茶。
Huh?
機行茶。
機行茶機個茶，機行茶 OK 聽起來好像是什麼食物好，機行茶 that's a taxi. Over the last few years, Taiwan's been enjoying the MRT, 也就是捷運。捷運。捷運 OK, that's 捷運. And then for the less expensive route of traveling, you can take the bus, 也就是公車。公車。公車 OK, that's the bus. And perhaps you're going from Taipei to Kaohsiung quickly and you want to take the plane. 要坐飛機。飛機。飛機。All right, so there you go. So let's review some of those terms again. 高速鐵路也就是 high-speed rail. 高速鐵路。高速鐵路。火車 which is the train. 火車。火車 OK. Taking a taxi 計程車。機行茶。機行茶機和茶機行茶捷運 MRT 捷運捷運and then taking a bus 公車公車公車 and finally if you have enough money you can still take the plane 飛機飛機飛機 So there you go. There are many ways for you to travel from one place to another here in Taiwan. So make your choice. And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太假？
俺只say 張偉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.